follow the road ahead. We'll continue going ahead. We'll get to a giveaway. At the giveaway, we'll turn left. We'll then follow the signs for the city centre. When we follow the signs for the city centre, we'll then follow the signs for Leicester Dyke. And that should take you up along Bolingbroke Lane.
These energies are making it worse for me.
Do you know your husband's car? Have you ever refueled your husband's car?
Fueled?
Yeah, like put petrol in a car.
No.
Do you have access to a car that you can refuel?
Not
Or at
really.
some point are you wanting to
I can
learn?
go with my sister-in-law one of the days when she goes.
Okay, that's fine. But if you need help, you know, like understanding how to refuel a car,
Yeah.
ask me, and then one of your lessons will put some fuel in.
He's got change.
So we're going to continue following the road ahead. What's the speed limit of the road that you're on?
Okay.
They'll give you one clue like that. Other than that, they'll look at your speedometer. And if you're constantly like at 21, 22,
Yeah.
you'll get in trouble, okay?
Even on bends.
So we're following the signs for the ring road. We can see that sign here. We're then following the signs for city centre, then Leicester Dyke. That's good. What does the blue sign mean at the end of the road?
Turn left only.
Yep, okay. Tell me if you can see the sign for the city centre. Can you see
I
it?
can see it.
Brilliant. So where are we going?
Right.
Okay. Is this a signal control roundabout?
It is partly.
Okay.
I forgot to go.
What speed are you doing now?
10,
You were doing 15, okay? Just so we're in agreement, what's the speed limit?
30 at the minute.
Can you remember what you got wrong in your last lesson?
I went to 32.
So how would you correct that now? Don't worry, I'll give you a hand if you need one.
I'll switch the lanes.
Okay, so then start doing it one by one.
So switch to all the way right.
Okay.
Obviously, they'll have to go in the right lane to go there.
We need to go into that lane as well. Into gear 3 and carry on. Pick up some speed, drive like everybody else. Now go into gear 4. Why did I make you go into gear 3 and not 4 and not 2?
Because speed was over 20, so I should have.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we're now following the signs for Leicester Dyke. Any particular reason why you're slowing down so much?
I thought I was going down here, so it's going to go fast.
Okay, so where's Leicester Dyke?
Leicester Dyke.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth exit.
Okay, start your routine from here. Get to the cones before you make the gear change. Wrong thing to do. Should have got to them cones first. Now look to your right.
Yeah.
Go when you're ready. Go into gear 1. You should have gone ages ago. There's no reason why you're stopping even now.